Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you someone that wants to add in more versatility to your workouts, or maybe you just like that already and you want it all in one place? That's why this awesome Pilates board from NewZion comes in so handy. If you're someone that has done a reformer before, you'll really appreciate that even though this is a compact size, this board lets you do so many different things that mimic Pilates moves. For one thing, you can do gliding for core work, you can add in abdominal work, you can flip over and you can do bridge work, leg work. You can even use it for squats and for arm work, thanks to the enclosed bar that they include that has some great tension on it. I really like that they included a foam pad, so even if I'm setting this up while traveling and I don't have a lot of equipment with me, I know that my knees will stay nice and protected thanks to that foam pad. I also really like the handles that came with this. So they're great for doing push-ups with this board. Again, really adding into all the versatility of what you can do. Honestly, you can use this board to get in an awesome 10 to 20 or even longer workout thanks to all of the different features that it has. And they're really easy to clip in and out, changing up your workout with each one. If I was going on a road trip, I would definitely take this with me because this could add in the perfect amount of workout that you could do anytime and anywhere. It folds up for easy storage. Everything clips and unclips so that you can easily transfer everything out and in. And honestly, I'm super impressed and surprised because I thought that these were maybe just a little bit gimmicky, but I am totally turned on to it and I would highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.